What's happening, everybody? Yeah, it's another Friday morning. If y'all are wondering how them nesting buckets are doing outside, I'll show you. There's one in there, but we've been finding them. She actually just came out when she saw me come in with food. That's a nice warm egg. Yep, them outside buckets work well. And I just finished up going through the tail end of the garden. Nice little harvest for the morning. But get out there, experiment, try new things. Grow some herbs, grow some tomatoes, try some chickens, work with some quail, even pigeons, you name it. It can be back-breaking work, but at the end of the day, it all pays off. I think she's laying an egg. And if you end up with an overabundance, barter, trade. You never know. Somebody out there is going to want what you got. And they're probably going to have something that you're going to want or need. Which reminds me, there is a lady, and she knows who she is, that makes some very good hot pepper mustard. Yeah. I might have to work on getting another jar of that, because that is some good stuff. But the wind is starting to pick up out here. It's looking like that tail end of that hurricane is about to hit. I think it's time that I get in for shelter, because I read the animals a lot, and they are going in for shelter. I imagine if I was in the woods right now, the deer are going to be hunkering down, telling me bad weather's amongst us. And I think it's real close. I see everybody hitting them like, shares, even getting some comments. Keep it up, liking it all, and don't forget, work with what you got. Later.